There's the crane in the middle. Finally got the old pole out. We got the crane way down there, putting a new pole in. And the crane I'm working for, right here, putting a new pole in. You got 1, 2, and 3 cranes doing power poles for Edison. Pretty crazy. Yep, bringing the old pole down. You gotta lay it down and cut it up with a chainsaw. Wow. That's the middle crane. Everybody else is putting new poles in. Got 1 crane, 2 cranes, 3 cranes on 1 job in the street doing telephone poles. That's a brand new pole going in. This one hasn't taken one out yet, and that's a brand new pole on the 3rd crane over there that's going in. And this one's ready to pull out. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Damn. 3 cranes on 1 street doing power poles. In my orange truck. 1, 2, 3 cranes. That one's got the poles getting ready to go up. I got 3 cranes on 1 street doing 3 separate telephone poles. Wow. A lot of equipment on this street right now.